Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a slightly firm, not dry, cookie dough because detail depends on consistency. Once mixed, chill for 30–60 minutes so the dough springs back when pressed. Make sure to lightly flour the mold and your work surface. Too much flour fills crevices and muffles the pattern. Press a small sample first to confirm detail, then adjust firmness or chill time. This gets you into the process quickly and prevents reworking later. You want consistent pressure across the mold so every cookie captures the same level of detail. Use a flat palm or a rolling pin rolled over parchment. Once done, remove excess dough with a bench scraper for clean edges. If the cookies stick, make sure to tap the mold on the counter or transfer it to the freezer for 5–10 minutes to firm the dough inside the pattern, then release slowly from the edges to avoid tearing. That sequence preserves the design. You bake according to the recipe, but watch color. If edges brown before centers set, lower oven 10–15 degrees and extend time. Once out, cool cookies in the mold for 3–5 minutes so they hold shape, then transfer to a rack to finish firming. If the pattern blurs or tears, make sure to increase chill time next batch or fold in 1 tablespoon of flour to tighten the dough. That is the key troubleshooting tip to keep designs crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.